This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Alissa Nead. Family selling estate home as is. Very desirable floor plan with large living room with vaulted ceiling and fireplace. Dining area and living space. Kitchen with lots of cabinets and laundry connecting, also features many cabinets. Split bedroom with guest rooms and guest bath to the left of living area. Master suite with 2 closets, shower and jetted tub to the right of living space. Master and living room open to large Arkansas room with vaulted ceiling and oversized windows. Needs flooring. For more information, review the details below.